Hey, welcome back. This is Dharmendra Sugadna from Buildbase app. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the Claude skill that I created in order to make the easy of creation of the application using the Buildbase SDK. So in the previous tutorial, we had created authentication pages and added some methods in order to get like magic link and passkey authentication in our product. So today I'm going to use this skill and gonna show how I have used this skill to create an Next.js application. I have pasted to my Claude agent, like clone this skill and help me to create a Next.js repo. What it done is it go through all the things and created me a Buildbase demo app in which authentication and sign in sign up are already there. So this is the result of it. It have created it, scaffold the new Next.js application, installed required dependencies, and created the env file where I already replaced my env variables. Env variables you can get from the same authentication client we have created: client ID, client secret, and organization ID. You can see that it is client ID, organization ID, and the secret. It's already it is being used. What Claude did is it have created one component, which is our main component that wraps around your application in order to it's like a context provider which go on top of the layout for all the applications so that you can use the context and hooks within that provider. So you can see that it's have created. It also created 3 routes, API routes in order to get the applications session and sign in and sign out token. So you can see also in the auth API, you can see that they have and implemented the details from the same thing. Like the Claude skill, we have already defined some core functionality of our Buildbase application in the Claude skill, and based on that, it have created those 3 routes. So it's done. Now it suggested let which I already did one time. Let me do it again. Once you run the same Buildbase demo app or your application, whatever is there, it's gonna pick the env variable from here. It's gonna show me what layout or design is there. Let's visit that page. Okay, you can see that it have created this. Okay, so Buildbase is restoring my session in order to check if it I'm got already signed in or not. Okay, it's good. One more thing. In this application, callback page route, and application is authentication, and after authentication, where user is going to land on your application. So callback is the route that you define on the Buildbase console in order to get verified when user is authenticated. Now you want to application to handle it in your way. So let's click on the sign in. Okay, so when I click the sign in, it redirects me to the authentication page of Buildbase app. Here I'm gonna use a passkey to make it's simple. So let's say I just passkey. Okay, let's register here as we have no account. Go with a real email. Okay, I just registered. Okay, email is already exists. Let's see. Because I have like the same repository used on multiple applications, it's gonna work that way. For email authentication or anything to work, you have to find the sender accounts. So sender accounts can be found in the messaging panel and in the sender accounts. For quick implementation, I am going to Google account to send out mail so that it can be easy, and I can just show the functionality of authentication. We will cover this messaging part in the later tutorials. So you can see that my authentication credentials are there for accounts and email sending. Let's go to back, login back again, and let's add the email address that we have done. It's gonna send me an email with the magic link. So let's see. I'm gonna click it, and what it does is it redirect me to the build page and to redirect to my original application until like it also asks if I wanted to add the passkey in order to make login secure and like very fast. So I'm going to add it. Let's add it to my cloud. See that passkey is been added to my application authentication. So next time when we are going to authenticate, we are going to use the passkey. You can see that it page route and it's checking for the authentication on the Buildbase side. It's checking currently login with real credential or something else. So it just check it. Now you can see that it have given my name one time and again sign in so that we can see that if the passkey is working or not. Okay, so let's continue with the passkey. Okay, we have shared in the cloud chain. Okay, I just unlock it. You can see that we already in the callback page and it's redirecting me to the original page of my application after the authentication is done. Now I'm going to sign back again. So yeah, that was the whole application implementation using the Claude Skill. Claude Skill have multiple like things inside it, like from authentication to billing, email sending, notification sending, and workflow running. Everything it can explain you if you want to learn about it, or it can just implement inside this repository. If it's new, then it will guide you. Otherwise, if it's existing repository, then it can ask like what file you are gonna change or anything. It's up to you. Like this cloud skill can be used using anywhere. Like if you're using Codex or any other AI, then it can just work there. It just have some steps around and the knowledge of the Buildbase app. So it's gonna work that way. If you are not liking it to like go through all the step or the minimal step for the users that don't want to like go through like installing SDK and then figure out it is not working on that way. We have created two Next.js startup repositories. So you just can clone and replace your env variables inside it, and it will like will have predefined some UIs and some dashboards so that you just start implementing your features. You will get everything inside it defined, which like almost contains everything on the Buildbase, including the billing, authentication, push notification, and more. So you might wanna try it out. Yeah, so that was about like how to start with the cloud skill in order to get the Next.js repository running using Buildbase SDK. In the later tutorial, we are gonna see how we're gonna send email or assign like sender accounts in order to get authentication working with the like email sending code or anything else. So let's see.